Before a robot works in your world, it may fail in a fake one. Thousands of times. Millions, if the engineers are feeling dramatic. That is the weird secret behind modern robotics. The robot does not just learn from one warehouse. It practices inside simulated warehouses, fake shelves, fake boxes, fake lighting, fake floors that are somehow still emotionally hostile. Then the team changes the world on purpose. Move the box, dim the room, add clutter, make the handles slippery, put a person in the path. The point is not to make the robot look good. The point is to find out how it breaks. Because robot demos are easy to misunderstand. A demo shows the best moment. Deployment is every boring moment after that. Can the robot do the task again? Can it do it safely? Can it notice when the situation changed? Can it stop before a small mistake becomes an expensive one? That is why fake worlds matter. Simulation turns physical risk into data. A drop box in a real warehouse is a problem. A drop box in simulation is a lesson you can replay. You can run the same failure with different lighting, different angles, different grip, different timing. Then you bring the lesson back to the real robot. This is called sim to real, and it is harder than it sounds. The fake world is never perfect. Real life has dust, bent carts, weird reflections, people who walk exactly where they should not. A box that says fragile but has the personality of a bowling ball. So the robot has to survive the gap between the clean simulation and the chaotic building. That gap creates new human work. Someone designs test worlds. Someone labels failures. Someone decides whether a robot is ready. Someone watches the fleet after deployment. Someone handles the exceptions when the machine meets reality. That is the bigger shift. Robots do not just create robot jobs. They create measurement jobs, safety jobs, data jobs, operations jobs. The future factory may be partly physical and partly imaginary. Real robots doing work. Fake worlds making them less terrible at it. And humans translating between the two. So when you see a robot doing one clean task on camera, ask the better question. How many fake failures did it survive first? What would you want a robot to practice before it came near your home or workplace? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more future shifts where the future is useful, weird, and apparently rehearses in a fake warehouse.